Hello everyone, I am Ishika Patidar and I am currently pursuing Integrated MTech IT from International Institute of Professional Studies DAVV Indore. This video is the part of my college assignment. In this video, I will explain about Kubernetes in cloud computing. So let's get started. In this lecture, we will learn about what is Kubernetes, history of Kubernetes, his features of Kubernetes, security and observability, open source monitoring tools for Kubernetes, deploy Java application on Kubernetes. Here, Kubernetes is a free and open source technology for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It is being used by major cloud providers like Google, Microsoft, IBM, and Alibaba to run their container based workloads. So, what is Kubernetes and how it is different from other similar softwares? Here, the history of Kubernetes. Kubernetes was first released in 2014 by Google. The developers wanted to create a tool for automating the deployments, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kubernetes has become one of the most popular open source projects because of its simplicity and easy integration with cloud computing services. What is the container and why it is used in Kubernetes? A container is nothing but a virtual machine that is running on a single physical server. It is just a virtual machine that has been configured to provide a complete operating environment for your container. A container provides a complete operating system and all the applications and libraries that are required to run a software applications. So, if you want to build a software application, you need to install the dependencies in the container, and if you want to run the application, then you need to install the containers in the host machine. This is the basic concept of container, and Kubernetes uses this concept to manage the applications. Some features of Kubernetes. Automation. One of the main reasons for using Kubernetes is to automate the process of creating, deploying, managing, and monitoring the containers. This allows the developers to focus on their primary task, which is writing the code. Kubernetes does all the work for them. This automation also allows the developers to scale their applications as per their needs. Kubernetes supports many tools that make it easy for the developers to deploy, scale, and manage the application. Second, scalability. Kubernetes can easily be scaled up or down to meet the requirements of a cloud based service provider. Kubernetes supports horizontal scaling, which means that you can add more machines to a cluster to increase the number of containers. The Kubernetes architecture is highly scalable. Third, cost saving. Kubernetes is a free and open source project. It is being used by many cloud providers to run their container based workloads. As it is free tool, you don't have to pay for the licensing fees for the software. So you can save a lot of money by using the free version of the tool. Kubernetes security and observability. Kubernetes is one of the most popular container management system available today. The rise of container technology has increased the demand for containers within organizations. Because of this, Kubernetes adoption is on the rise, and so is the demand for Kubernetes security. For example, companies like Google, Netflix, and Amazon are using Kubernetes extensively. In fact, Kubernetes is the leading platform for container orchestration and management. As such, there are a number of tools that you can use to monitor Kubernetes security. Base open source monitoring tools for Kubernetes. First, HeptioArch. The HeptioArch is a cloud native monitoring solution for Kubernetes. The Arc is built around the idea of containers, and as such it monitors and reports on container health. The Arc also provides a number of features to help you troubleshoot issues. Second, New Relic. New Relic is a commercial service that offers a lot of features to help you troubleshoot issues with your Kubernetes development. New Relic can help you monitor and report on performance issue and never alert if your Kubernetes cluster is under stress. Third, Prometheus is an open source service for monitoring and reporting on Kubernetes provider a number of features that you can use to monitor and report on Kubernetes clusters. CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a commercial service from Amazon that helps you monitor on your Kubernetes cluster. Fifth है Grafana. Grafana is a open source tool that helps you monitor and report on your cloud clusters. Sixth है Alert Manager. Alert Manager is an open source tool that helps you monitor and manage alert for your Kubernetes clusters. Next, we will see about how to deploy Java application on Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a free and open source project. It is being used by many cloud providers to run their container based workloads. As it is free tool, you don't have to pay for the licensing fees for the software. So you can save a lot of money by using the free version of the tool. Thank you.